Welcome to this lesson on regular past tense verbs, spelling and pronunciation rules. Today we will learn when to add DED or IED to verbs, when to double the final consonant, and how to pronounce the verbs correctly. Let's get started. For verbs ending in E, simply add D to form the past tense. For verbs ending in a single consonant after a short vowel, double the final consonant and add ed. For verbs ending in Y, if a consonant comes before Y, change Y to I and add ed. If a vowel comes before Y, just add ed. When the verb ends in P, K, F, S, C, H, S, H, and X, the ed ending sounds like ta. Stopped, talked, sniffed, laughed, missed, watched, washed, fixed. When the verb ends in M, Z, L, B, G, V, N, R, Y, and vowels, the D or ED ending sounds like D. Calmed, buzzed, robbed, begged, loved, planned, answered, viewed. When the verb ends in T or D, the ED ending sounds like id. Wanted, visited, waited, started, needed, decided, folded, flooded. Yesterday, I started my day early and decided to go to the park. I walked around and noticed a cute dog. The dog jumped on me and licked my face. I laughed and hugged it. Then, I returned home and watched my favorite movie. It was a great day.